Hello guys, welcome to my this video. My name is Anirudh and today in this web designing series I will show you how to create this kind of design. But before that I will explain about this design. So here you can see the two header part, okay, and inside this top header part I have added one search input field. When I will hover on the search input field, this input field will expand. Let's see. Here you can see, and if I hover out it will shrink again, and if I focus on this input field, focus means when I will click inside this input field, so that time it will expand it again. Here you can see, if I move my mouse any of the places, it is still expanded. And if I focus out means when I will click outside this input field, means suppose if I click any of the places, it will be shrinked again. Suppose if I click here, you can see it is shrinked again. Now inside this bottom header I have added one menus and button, and this is very basic thing, nothing to explain. But I will come to the slider part. Here I have added animation. Okay, when I will reload or refresh this page for the first time, you can see animated text and the animated image. Okay, this image will be zoomed out. So let's see if I reload. So here you can see the animation. Okay, now if I hover on the next button, you can see on hover it's appearing one image, and the image is the next image of this slider. Okay, now if I click, so that time which image is coming on the hover, it will appear here. Okay, let's see. Here you can see, if I hover again, you can see the image. Just focus on this image, and when I will click the next button, that image which is coming on the hover, it will appear here. You can see here. Okay, so this one I have written the custom JavaScript code. Okay, here I hope you will be enjoyed this video, and if you find this video is helpful, so please like, share and comment. And if you want to get more updates, so please subscribe my channel also. And here one thing also, here when I'll click the next button, so that time this text and image also animating, you can see here. Okay, so now I will move to my Visual Studio Code editor and I will start to write the code, and I will explain how it will work. Okay, so guys, here you can see I have opened index.html file and the style.css file inside this Visual Studio Code editor. Okay, and inside this HTML file I will write the HTML code, and inside the style.css file I will write the CSS code. Okay, so inside this HTML you can see that I have added the basic HTML structure and some links. So here I'm assuming you know the basic HTML structure, but I will explain the link what I have added here. By the way, all the codes I will provide in my description, so you can check the description. But before that, you just watch this video and understand how I'm doing this thing. Okay, so now let me explain the link. Okay, so here you can see this is the Google font link. Okay, this one, and this one is the Bootstrap CSS link. Here you can see, and this one is the Owl Carousel link. So I had shown you the slider in that design, so that one I used Owl Carousel here. Okay, and here you can see this is the font link. Okay, so here I have added themify font, and this one is the style.css file, I mean this external CSS. So I have added this link here. Okay, this is very simple thing, don't be confused here. And all the code from here up to starting to end I will provide in the description. Okay, source code. And here you can see the script. So source code just you have to copy and paste in your application, so you can see the design, it is working. Okay, but before that, just understand how I'm doing the JavaScript part. Okay, it will helpful to you. So now here in this script part, means inside this body tag, here you can see I have added jQuery, and here the Bootstrap JS link, and here this Owl Carousel JS link, and this is the script part of the Owl Carousel, which you can get from the Owl Carousel's official site. Okay, I have already added here because to save the time. Okay, and again I'm saying those code I will provide in the description. Okay, so now I will start to write the code in the HTML. Okay, so now here first of all I will add the header tag. Okay, because first of all I will create the header, and inside this header tag I will create a div. Okay, so div class, here I will write top header. Okay, top header, because I had shown you the two header. So here first of all I will write the top header, and inside this top header I will add a container. Container added some space in the left and right, and this come from Bootstrap. So container, this one. And now inside this container, here I will create one row, that is also Bootstrap thing. This row, it is used to create the grid. Okay, I hope guys it is clear. If you have any doubt, so you can write in the comment section or you can connect me in Instagram, so I will reply in your doubt. Okay, so now here I will just add the grade. So call MD is 6, okay, and call ASM also 6. This one is done, and now here just I will copy this thing and I will paste here. Okay, and here I will write another bootstrap class, that is text write, means whatever content I will write here, so that will be comes from right side. Okay, so that class we use for that. Okay. So now here just I will start to write. So first of all here I will write UL class, that is left top menu. Okay, this one is done, and now inside this UL class I will add one li, and here inside this li I will write anchor tag. So I will enter an AHREA. Okay, so here I will keep it blank first of all, and now I will add the themify icon. Okay, so I class, this is the code for adding themify icon. So I class TI mobile. Okay, this one, and now here I will just close this I class, and now here I will add the simple mobile number. Okay, if you can add any of the number. So here this one is the number. So this is done, first li. Now I will come and I will add one another li, and inside this another li here I will write not anchor tag. Okay, simply I will write I class, means simply I will add one class, means here I will add one icon. So icon is ti. Okay, ti, this ti is the keyword for themify icon. Okay, it's denote we are using themify icon. And now the icon name, so the icon name is location, okay, hyphen pin. And now I will close this I tag, and here I will add the address. Okay, so here I will add one demo address here. You can add any of the address. Okay, this one is done. Now I will do save, and just I will check. So here you can see it is coming like this. Okay, so now here I will come to the next grid. Okay, so here I will write deep class top right menu. Okay, the first one was left top menu, and here I have written top right menu. Okay, any class name you can write anything, that's not a problem. Okay, and first of all I will add the li tag here, and inside this li tag here I will add one input field. Okay, the search input field. So search input type is text, and here I will add the placeholder here I will write search. Okay, and here I will add one class, that is input. Now it is done, and here I will add one button. So button type is button, and now I will add one class for the button, that is button class. This is bootstrap class. Okay, this button class is the bootstrap class, and close. And inside this button I will add one icon. So same way themify icon. So I class ti first of all. Okay, and the class name is search. Okay, this is done. So again I will do save, and I will come to the browser and refresh. So here you can see search is done. Now I will add some css for the styling. Okay, so I will come to the css. Okay, first of all I will add the css for body tag. Here I will write the basic css is, that is padding 0. Okay, padding 0, margin also 0, and the default font size, that is 14 pixel. And here I will write the font family, because I have added the Google font in the head tag. Okay, so here I have to write the font family. So font family is, and comma, and here sans serif, this one. Okay, and now guys here I will just come here, and first of all I will copy this class top header. Okay, and just I will add here, and I will add the CSS first of all background. So background color, so you can use background color or simply background also. So here I will write the color code is 93C208. This one is the green color code. Okay, and now I will add some padding. So padding is, that is top and bottom is 7 pixel and the left and right is the 0. Okay, and now here you can see I have added left top menu. Okay, so I will copy this class here. Okay, and I will add comma, because whatever CSS property I will write for the left top menu, so same CSS I will write for the top right menu, this class also. So why I will write in separate way, just I will add comma and I will write here, so it will applicable for the both classes. Okay, so now here first of all I will write padding. So padding is 0 and the margin is 0. Okay, and this one is the done. Here just only for the left top menu I want to add one CSS property. Okay, that is margin top. Margin top is 2 pixel. This one is done, and now again just I will copy those two classes, and inside these two classes, here inside this class here also is the li, and again here this one I have to write ul. Okay, not div, sorry for that. So this one I have to write ul. Okay, so here also you can see li tag. Okay, so for both classes li tag will be the same CSS property. So I will write like this way. Okay, so list style type. Okay, so this one is the none, means guys here you can see one dot is coming. So if I write list style type none, so the dot will remove. Okay, this one I will do save. Okay, and now I will come to the browser and refresh. So here you can see background color green added and dot is removed also. Okay, and now guys here I will write display. Display is inline block, means all the li will come in the same line. Now here you can see it is coming on the two line, but if when I have written display inline block and if I save and refresh, so you can see it is coming on the same line. Okay, and now margin right will 7 pixel. Okay, this is done, and now again I will copy this li class. Okay, I mean this one. Okay, and paste, and here I will add a, means anchor tag, and I will write the CSS property. Okay, so here I will write text decoration none. What is text decoration? I will just show you. So here when I am hovering on this here, so here you can see one underline is coming, but if I write text decoration none, so now if I hover, so see it is no underline is coming here. Okay, this one is the text decoration. Okay, and now here just I will copy this class. Okay, paste here, comma, and this class. Okay, and now I will add the CSS. So now here first of all I will add color is white. This is white color code, triple F, and now here font size is 15 pixel I will add here, and letter spacing, so letter spacing is 1 pixel, and after that here I will add font weight is 400, this one. Okay, so this is done, and now I will copy this one, I will paste here, and I will write the CSS for I tag. I tag means themify icon. If I show here, you can see this is the I tag. Okay, so I'm writing CSS for now this icon. Okay, I hope it is clear. So here first of all I will add the color. So the color is, that is RGBA, red, green, blue, and A for opacity. Okay, you can see red, green, blue, and alpha. So the red color code I will write 255, green color code also 255, and the blue will be 2.5 and opacity 0.5. okay, and now here I will write that is margin right is 5 pixel. okay, now I will do save and I will just refresh. So here you can see it is looking like this. okay, so now I will come here and now I will write the CSS for right top menu. Scroll up this one, I mean top right menu. okay, this one I will copy paste and here there is input field. So if I show here, so here you can see this one li and here is the input field, and this input field I have added one class, that is input. So I have added here this one. So now this one I will write the CSS. First of all, border is none. okay, and here border, first of all I will make it none and then I will add the custom border. okay, means 2 pixel solid and the color code is same RGBA like this. okay, so now here I will keep it same, just opacity I will make it 0.25 like this. okay, and I will do save, and now here border radius is 100 pixel, and background color, now by default you can see background color is white. I will make it transparent. So background, you can use background color or background. I will use background. okay, transparent. And now padding is top and bottom is 2 pixel. okay, and left and right is 15 pixel. This is done. And outline I will make it none, means no outline, because here by default you can see the black color border or outline you can see, so I will make it none. okay, and now transition why I am using, because on hover this input field will expand, so it will expand smoothly, so that's why I am adding transition. So is in out means when I will hover, so that time transition will be 0.5, and when will be hover out, so that time also it will be 0.5, means in and out. okay, and now I will write width is 115 pixel, and color is white, that is triple F. So now just I will save and here I will refresh. So here you can see it is coming like this. Now I will add the CSS for the button. So here I will copy this thing, and first of all I will add the CSS for the placeholder, because here if I show here you can see in this search it is black color. So I will add the CSS for this placeholder. So input and clone placeholder. okay, so here I will write only color. So color will be same RGBA color I will use. So here opacity just only I will change. okay, so the opacity will be 0.666. okay, this one is the opacity. So this one is done. Now I will add the CSS for button. okay, but before that I will show you how it will look like. So here you can see it is looking like this. Now I will add the CSS for button. okay, so here I will copy this one, okay, up to this one, from li tag to this one. okay, because the button is also inside this li tag. And now here I will write the class name is button, because if I come here you can see li tag then button, and the button class is okay. So now I will add the CSS for button. So first of all, by default button is coming white color, so I will make it transparent. okay, transparent. And now here I will add the padding is 0, and position is absolute. okay, and here I will write top, from top it is 4 pixel, and right is 12 pixel, and the color is white color. So now save and let's check it. So here you can see it is coming here. So for that I have to do one thing, just here I will copy this thing and just here I will paste it, okay, and I will write first child, first child, okay, and this one position relative, this one, okay. Now let's check it. You can see it is coming here, okay. So this one is the done, and now when I will hover on this input field, so this input field should be expand, okay, on hover and on focus. So here I will copy this thing, okay, paste here, dot input, okay, then hover, comma, I will copy the same thing up to here, and instead of hover now I will write focus, okay. So on hover and on focus I will change the width, I mean I will just increase the width, that is 200 pixel, okay. So this one is done, and now just I will refresh, and here I will, so now here if I hover, you can see it is coming like this, but not smoothly, okay. So now let's see what is the issues here. So the issues here in the input field, here you can see I have added 0.5, but here I have to add the s for the second, okay. So now it will be smooth, okay. So you can see here it is smooth, and if I focus, you can see it is still expand, okay. So top header part is done. Now I will come to the bottom header, okay. So first of all I have to write the index, I mean HTML code for the bottom header here. So this top header part I will minimize, okay. Now here I will write deep class bottom header, okay. Okay, now here I will write same way container, and now inside this container I will write UL and li, okay. So first of all here I will add the logo, okay. So I already saved some images inside this images folder. If I show here, here is the CSS and here is the image. So here I have added logo and 4 images for slider. So all images and all the thing I will provide in description, okay. You can just, after watching this video, you can check the description, I will provide the source code, okay. So now inside this anchor tag here, first of all I will write this is index.html, because when anyone will click on the logo, so that time it will redirect to the home page, means index.html. And now here I will add the class is logo, okay. So now this is done, and now here I will add the image. So image source is, that is dot slash, inside this image folder I have added one logo, so this one, and now inside this alter tag I will add logo. So alter tag used for SEO purpose, okay. So now I will do save, and now again I will just come to the li part, okay, means another li. So here I will add one anchor tag, and now here I will keep it blank, and here I will add home, okay. So same way, this is menu actually, okay. Now if I save and show here, so here you can see this one is the logo and this one is the menu. So same way I will create some other menus also, okay. So guys, here you can see I have added some other menus, okay. You can see, okay. So you can just pause this video and you can add also those menus. So now I will just save, and here if I refresh, so here you can see some other menus also added, and now I will create one button, okay. So here I will add li tag again and anchor tag, and here inside this anchor tag I will add one class, that is button, okay. And now here I will just close this one, and here I will write the name of this button, that is start a project, okay. And I will add icon, so I class ti arrow and circle right, okay. Now I will close this item. So now if I save, so here you can see this one, okay. So now just I will add the CSS for bottom header. So first of all I will just copy this one, here I will paste, and here I will write background is white and box shadow. Okay, so box shadow I will add 0 0 and 15 pixel, 1 pixel, and the box shadow color. So color is RGB. So here instead of red I will make it 0. So here 0, and instead of green 0 I will remove the comma. Okay, so and here I will write 0 and then 7%. Okay, this one. Okay, so now this one is done, and now I'll copy this class and I will add the CSS for UL. Okay, so here first of all padding 0, margin 0, and now here display flex and justify content center. Before I had added display inline block for bringing in the same line. Now I'm adding display flex. Both are the same thing, and display flex in the new one and the advanced thing. Okay, so now this one save, and I will come to the browser, and if I refresh, so here you can see it is coming like this way. Okay, so this one is the done. Now what I will do, I will add the CSS for the li tag. So here I will copy the same thing. Okay, and here I will paste, and I will add the CSS for li tag. So first of all, list style type is none. You know what is the purpose of use list style type. And now flex 1. Okay, means all li tag will be the same width. Let's see, here is the same with all li tag. And now here I will add the CSS for anchor tag. Okay, so now I will copy this thing and I will write the CSS for anchor tag. Okay, so first of all here I will write padding. Padding is 22 pixel top and bottom, and left and right will be 0 pixel. Okay, like this. Okay, and now text align. Text align is center. Okay, and here I will write display block. And here I will write font size. So font size will be 22 pixel again, and font weight is 500, and another CSS property. Now color, the color will be 4747. Okay, this one is the color code. And now here I will add text decoration. Text decoration is none, and transition is 0.5 pace is in out. Okay, and now I'll add the hover effect. So I'll copy this thing, okay, and paste here, and I will write hover. Okay, so now here hover I will write color is 9393 C249. This one is the color code. And background, so background here I will add 93C249 1F. okay, this is the background color code. Okay, and now here I will just copy this one, and I will add the CSS for logo. Okay, so here why I did not add any space between a and dot logo, because if I show here, so here you can see a, and inside this a the class is logo. So inside anchor tag there is logo class, so that's why between those I did not add any space. Okay, so now for the logo I will add padding 0. Okay, and now I will add the class, add the CSS for this button. Okay, so now just I will do save, and I will just check once. You can see it is coming like this. Now I will add the CSS for this button. Okay, so here first of all just I will copy this thing up to that, and instead of logo here I will write button. Okay, so now here I will write the CSS property is padding is 7 pixel and 35 pixel, and here font size is 17 pixel, and the border is that is 2 pixel solid, and here I will add the color code that is 93C249, and now here I will add border radius is 20 pixel, and now here I will add transition is 0.5s is in out. Okay, same transition I will add, and the color I will add the same color, that is 93C. This is the color code 249. Okay, so this one is done, and now here just I'll copy this button up to button, and inside this button there is icon, so I will write the CSS for that icon. Okay, so here I will write margin left is 7 pixel. Okay, and now when I will hover on the button, so that time I will add the CSS. So from here up to here I will copy and paste. Okay, and now I will add the hover effect. So here the hover is, first of all I will change the background color, so background and color code I will write 3C249, and the color is white. Now let's see. Okay, save and refresh. So here you can see, so top and bottom header is done. Now I will come to the main part, that is banner, means slider part. Okay, so now I'll just move to the index.html file. Okay. So now guys, here just I will minimize this header part. Okay, and now here I will write section class banner. Okay, because I'm going to make banner, means slide. Okay, now here I will write deep class. Okay, owl carousel. So owl hyphen carousel. So this class name just you have to write the same, because this class is coming from the owl carousel site. Okay, I mean owl carousel. Okay, and here I will write ID. So ID, here you can see this code already I have added. Okay, and here the ID you can see, this one is the banner slider. By the way, all the thing I will provide in description, again I'm saying. Okay, so here you have to write the same thing, because I already told like class name you can write anything, but guys here you have to write the class name owl carousel. Like what is the bootstrap class, like container, those kind of class name we write the same thing. Okay, like container fluid, text, right? Okay, so same way this class is coming from owl carousel, so here you cannot change the class name. Okay, same way here you have to write deep class item. So this item class also you cannot change, because this is also coming from the owl carousel. Okay, and now deep class row, here is the bootstrap class, so that also you cannot change. Okay, and now I will create the grid. So deep class, here I will write call md5. Okay, and here inside this 5 class I will write deep class content. Okay, content class, and here I will add the basic content. First of all h2 tag, and here I will add web. Okay, and here I will write the span tag. Okay, and inside this span tag I will write development, and h2 tag is done, and now I will add the p tag, means paragraph. Okay, so later I will add the paragraph, because here I will add the dummy text, you can write any of the text. Okay, so now content part is done, and now here I will write another deep class, that is Polygon. Okay, so this one class name you can write anything. Here I will add some CSS for the designing purpose, like it will look like good. Okay, so now call md5 is done, and here I will write deep class call MD7 because total we can use 12 grid. So here I used 5, remaining 7 I will use here. Okay, so now here I will add div class. Here first of all banner image means this one is the slider image. Okay, banner image. Okay, here I will add one image. So image source is dot slash images and the first image. Okay, and alter tag I will write image1. So inside this alter tag just you have to write the description of this image. Okay, you can write any description. I just simply have written image1. Okay, so banner image is done. Now here again I will write div class. Here I will write polygon right. Okay, another class. This is also for the designing purpose. So the first item is done, you can see. So here I will just copy this first item and paste 3 times. Okay, and I will change the heading and the images also. Okay, and here I will add the dummy paragraph. So now just I will copy and paste those this item class. Okay, and now I will come to the next point. Okay, so you just I'm not showing this thing because it will save the time. So guys, here you can see I have copied this item class. Okay, and here I paste it 3 times and each item I have added unique images. Okay, and now I will come to the browser and I will show you. Refresh. So here you can see images, it's added. Okay, and here 2 buttons, next and preview. So if I click the next button, so you can see slider is coming, but here I will add the design and I mean CSS, and here when I will hover on this next button, so that time it will appear the next image of the slider. That thing I will do using JavaScript and CSS part. So now here I will add here just above the close section tag. Okay, here I will add div class next image. Okay, because here inside this next image, here I will just append the next image of the slider. Okay, so now in the CSS part, first I will add the style and later I will add the design. So first one I will write position is relative. Okay, and now I will copy this thing dot banner image. Okay, so this one here I will write clip path. Okay, and polygon. So polygon here first of all I will write 9% 0 comma 91% and then 0 comma 94%, then 14% comma then 84%, then 71% comma. Okay, actually this thing you are thinking how I am writing this one. Actually I already created this thing. Okay, just for showing purpose I am writing again. So 80%, then 100% comma 20% and then 100%, here 100% comma and here 0% 80%. Okay, 0% then 80% comma and then 6%, then 21%. Okay, this is polygon. Okay, and now here I will write overflow. So overflow is hidden. Okay, now I will do save and let's see how it will look like. So here you can see image is now it is the different way coming. Okay, so different design you can see. This is for polygon. Okay, so this one is done. Now I will copy this banner again. Okay, just here I will paste and this banner dot owl item. Okay, this owl item dot active dot banner image, then image. Okay, so here I will write transition. So transition is 0.2s is in out. Okay, and now animation name. Animation name is example. Okay, and now animation duration. Animation duration is 0.9s and transform scale is 1. Okay, this is for animating thing. Okay, means when I will refresh or click the next button, so that time image will animate like this one. Okay, so now I will copy this example and here I will write keyframes, then this example and curly braces. Okay, so now how it will animate? So from here I will write transform. So transform scale, here I will write 1.7 and here I will write 2. So transform scale, here I will write, and now here after that here just dot banner and dot next image class. Okay, I mean if I come here, I mean this one. So this one CSS I will write here. Okay, so first of all position is absolute. Okay, and then top is 50% and right is 64 pixel. Okay, and width is 200 pixel, z index is 9, and then background, so background is RGBA. Okay, so now I will add first of all this one, so 0.512 and this red 0, green 0 and blue also 0. Okay, so this is background color. I will copy this thing now and then image. Okay, so here I will write width is 70 pixel and height is 66 pixel. Okay, this means when I will hover, so that time it was showing the next image, so that CSS I added here. Okay, now I will add the CSS for Polygon. So here you can see I have added one class, that is Polygon. Okay, so that CSS I will add right now. Okay, so here I will just copy this one, banner and dot polygon. Okay, this one. So here I will write again clip path. Okay, so clip path polygon and 0 0 comma then 85 and 49%. Okay, so 85% then 49% comma and then 100 so 100% comma 0% then 100%. Okay, and now I will set height and width. So height is 112 pixel, width is 290 pixel, and background, so background is has 3C 2491F 2491F, this one. Okay, now let's see, I will just come here and refresh once. So here you can see this one is the polygon, here this design is called polygon. Okay, so now here I will just copy this thing, banner. Okay, and here I added another polygon right class. Okay, so polygon right. Okay, this one. So same way I will write clip path polygon, and here first of all 100% 0 comma then 100% 0%, here also I have to write percent. Okay, and after that here comma then 100% comma 50% 100%, 50% 100%. Okay, and now here I will set the height and width also. So height is 200 pixel and width is also 290 pixel. Okay, and the background color. So background color, it will be the same color, so I will copy from here and I will paste here. Okay, and now position absolute. So position is absolute, and here right is 15 pixel, so 15 pixel, and bottom is 0. I will add the css for content, so I will copy this banner class, okay, and paste here dot content. Okay, so now first of all here I will add padding. So padding is top 50 pixel, right 0, okay, and bottom is 0 and left is 105 pixel. Okay, this is content, and now here I will just copy this banner class again. Okay, now here dot owl item active, okay, and dot content, this is for again animation purpose. Okay, so first of all I will add transition. So transition is 0.5s is in out, okay, and the animation name, okay, so animation name, this one I will add content animation. Okay, this name you can write anything. Okay, and animation duration is 0.4s. This is done, and now I will copy this animation name and I will add the animation here at the rate keyframes, this one. Okay, and from here opacity, I will write opacity is 0, and 2 opacity is 0 again. Okay, and now I will add the css for h2 tag. So banner dot content dot h2. Okay, and here first of all I will add color. So color is this color code, okay, which I'm using already. So font size here I will write 55 pixel, and here text transform. So text transform is uppercase, and after that font weight is 500. Okay, and now just I will copy this one, and here I will add, and I will add the css for span tag. So I will add the color is black color. Okay, now just I will show you once how it will look like. So save, and here refresh. So here you can see it is looking like this. Okay, you can see, and now just I will add the sys for this para. Okay, so here I will copy this one, I will copy again. Okay, so here paste and p tag. So here margin top, so margin top is 27 pixel, and font size and line height. So font size is 22 pixel, and line height, so line height is 35 pixel. Okay, so content is done, and now I will add the css for Owl Carousel Button. Here first of all I will do save, and I will check it once. So here you can see para is looking like this, and the button is coming on the below. So I will bring it in the middle. So I will write the css for button. So I will copy this banner class. Always I'm copying this banner class because this one is the parent. Okay, so that's why owl preview and comma, then again banner, because for owl preview and owl next it will be the same css. Okay, so that's why here this one. Okay, now position is absolute, and after that top is 50%, 50%, and color is this color code. Font size I will write 32 pixel, and after that jet index 12, and here height 66 pixel, and padding 10 pixel and 0. Okay, and when I will hover, so that time I will add some effect. So here I will write transition. Transition is 0.2s is in out, and I already copied this class. Okay, so I will paste here, and just here I will add hover. Same way here also hover. Okay, so now when I will hover, so background I will add background color, so RGBA. Okay, so here I will write 0.512, and this red 0, green also I will write 0, and the blue also 0, this one. Okay, and now the color will be white. Okay, this one is done. Okay, so now I'll do save and refresh. So here you can see it is coming here. Okay, so I have to add some CSS property separately for Owl preview and Owl next. So here just I will write Owl preview, and I will add for an Owl next. Okay, so here I will write margin left first of all. So margin left is 35 pixel. Okay, and here for the Owl next, here I will write the CSS property is right. So right is 32 pixel. So save, and now let's see. Here you can see it is like this. It is like this. Okay, you can see here. So now I will add the script for this one. Okay, means when I will hover, so next image will appear here. So for that, here I have to come this index.html file. Okay, so just below this Owl Carousel script, okay, this one I will provide also, and all the code actually I will provide. Okay, so here I will write dollar, then document, then dot ready. Okay, and this one function, then this one, and like this. Okay, so now here again I will write dollar, then semicolon, dot banner. Okay, this is parent class, so I'm taking this parent class banner, and now dot owl next. Okay, so this one, and here dot mouse enter. Okay, function parenthesis and like this. Okay, so now here I will write, first of all I will take one variable source. Okay, here I will just put our source, image source, I mean next image source. Suppose here this one is the image, okay, which is displaying. When I will hover, so that time the next image, I mean this one is the active image. If I inspect how I'm writing the jQuery thing, that I will explain, because this is the important thing. Okay, so now if I close, so here you can see here which one will be active. So here it's coming active class. You can see active class inside this owl item, it is appending a active class. This is the default behavior of Owl Carousel. So this active class here, and the next of this active class, this is owl item, and here you will find the next image. Okay, if I expand those things, so you will find the next image. Here you can see. So actually I need this image source. So how can I get this image source? So that's why here I have to write source, then dollar this. Okay, this means this next button. Okay, so next button means this is this dot parent. So next button's parent first I will get, and this way I will get the parent again. Means here if I show, so the next button owl, the next button, if I show here, so I will inspect this button. So this is owl next. So this owl next parent is owl nap, and after that the parent is like this row, like this way I will just get the next image source. Okay, this is very clear thing. I'm not going to explain more about that. I hope it is clear. Like this way I will go to the first parent, and after that children, like this way I will come to the owl nap active and then image. Okay, like see, you can understand. I hope. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will try to explain. So then children, okay, or I will explain because you may confuse here. Suppose I will come to the again owl next. Okay, this is owl next. So this one parent is owl nap first of all. Okay, and the owl nap parent is, if I show here, this item. Okay, this item, not this item. Owl nap parent is this owl carousel. Here you can see this is the parent of owl carousel. So first if I write this dot parent, means this one will come here, owl carousel. Okay, and after that parent means banner. So like this way I will just I mean first parent means owl nap and second parent means owl carousel. So I have written two parent. After that children means when it will come this owl carousel. After that children means here this one. Okay, this one, and those are the children. Okay, so owl nap children, and then again children means owl next. Like this way actually I will capture the next image. Okay, so children date, then again children, three times I will write children. Okay, and here inside this children, just for making strong thing, here I will write dot owl hyphen item dot active. Okay, because when I'm writing the three children, so it will come children. Okay, and after that again this one is the owl stage, is the another children, and then owl item active means I'm taking this one. Okay, this one owl item active, and now here I will write the next, means because I need the next one. Okay, so here I will write dot next this one. Okay, just I will scroll right, and next, then I will write inverted comma dot, here I will write owl item means next owl item, because I need the next owl items image. Okay, dot children again, then dot children, and then dot children. So now here I will write dot call md7. Okay, because if I show, so this one is the active, and the next owl item means this one. So here this one children is item, then children means row, and after that children I'm taking this one. So I have written here is the two children of row, column d5 and column d6 7. So I need only 7, so I have written children call md7, and inside this 7 here you can see another children, then image source. Okay, so here I will write again dot children, and this one the class is, if I show here you can see the class is banner image. So I will copy this class dot this one, and here inside this children again banner image children. So here this one I will write image tag. Okay, this one, and this image tag here is the attribute source. So here I will write a ttr, because I need only the attribute. Okay, so source attribute I need. So this one is done. So now here I will write dollar. So this source attribute I will append this next image class. Okay, means this one. So here I will write dollar, and just I will create here image source, okay, equals to, then here I will write plus, and after that source means this variable, okay, source, and after that plus, and I will just close this image tag, okay, and this one I will append to here this banner, okay, banner is the parent dot next image. If I show means this one, so I will copy this class and just here I will paste, okay, means here it will append. So let's see it is working or not. So just I will refresh and I will remove this one because it's not required. So here you can see when I am hovering on this, so it is appending image, but when I will hover out, so that time I need to remove this one. So here I will write the another function, so that is I will copy this thing here, okay, and here I will paste colon and this one. So now just here instead of mouse enter, here I have to write mouse leave. So mouse leave means when I will hover out, so that time I need to remove this one. So here I will write dollar, okay, dollar, then dot banner dot next image, because I append this image inside this next image class, and I want to remove from this next image class, I want to remove this image which is appending. So just simply I will write remove this one, okay, save, and now you can see here it is working, it is appending. When I will hover out, it is removing, okay. So but when I will click that thing, when I will hover, so it is, you can see it is displaying the next image, but if I click, so that time the current image it is displaying, but in click I also want the next image, okay. So here same thing, just I will copy, okay, same thing I will copy, but instead of mouse enter, here I will write the click event, okay. I hope you got it. So refresh, and now here you can see it is appending, okay. So first of all what I have to do here, just first of all I have to remove all the thing on click, okay. So here like this, and then I want to append, you can see it is working fine. So I hope guys it is clear. If you find this video is helpful, so please like, share, comment, and also subscribe for getting more update, and all the code I will provide in my description. So please visit the description and take the code, okay.